Hi, welcome to Alpha Solutions TV. Today you'll learn how to clean a toilet properly. But first, if you want more home cleaning hacks and tips like the ones in this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button and leave a thumb up. Also, let us know how you clean your toilet by leaving a comment below. Okay, back to our topic. Cleaning your home's toilet is an assignment that almost always gets delayed. However, it's one of the most basic tasks we need to do in our home. A filthy toilet will look terrible, smell unpleasant and breed germs. In any case, cleaning your bowl on schedule can save you from a huge hassle later. I know what you're thinking. How do I clean it well enough to actually get rid of all the dirt and at the same time prevent the bacteria and viruses from spreading? My answer to that is by following a cleaning technique. Following the proper cleaning technique has a multitude of benefits. Not only will you save time, energy and money, it will also give superior results. In this video, I will share with you the 3 methods for cleaning your toilet properly. Before we begin with the actual cleaning, we have to first gather the supplies. It is advised that you have your equipment within arm's reach. You can even have these organized in a cleaning bucket to make it more convenient. Personally, I have 6 things that I need to gather before I start. 1. Rubber, to protect your hands from any dirt, bacteria, or virus that you may encounter during our toilet scrub down. It is sanitary to keep a pair of rubber gloves solely for cleaning the toilet to avoid infecting different parts of the household. 2. Toilet brush, scrubs away any hard to remove spots in hard to reach places. It helps you really reach the inside of your bowl. 3. Eye protection. These protect your eyes from any possible splashes of toilet water or dirty substances. 4. Liquid toilet cleaner, helps remove really stubborn stains and keeps your toilets clean without causing any damage. 5. Spray cleaner, helps disinfect the surface of your toilet. There is a natural option for this where you create your own DIY soap that is just as good. Below are the ingredients and instructions on how to create your own DIY soap. Ingredients: 1 cup of unscented liquid soap. Any brand you prefer. Funnel essential oil, 1 cup distilled water. How to make it: 1. Choose what type of essential oil to use. Lavender, peppermint, and lemon are called favorites. Here are some benefits of some essential oil. Lavender, help give out a soothing scent. Peppermint, fresh and light. Lemon, helps brighten your mood. Other essential oils that you might want to try include cinnamon, basil, clove, grapefruit, lime, rosemary, oregano, and more. 2. Grab the funnel, 1 cup of liquid soap, and 1 cup of water. Then pour all of these into the spray bottle. 3. Add 10 to 15 drops of the essential oils into the bottle as well. The amount of oils needed vary depending on your preference and the size of your bottle, but in general 10 to 15 is more than enough. 4. Shake the bottle to mix its contents and you're done. Make sure to keep this bottle out of direct sunlight or heat to avoid changing the chemical constituents within the essential oils. You can not only use this to disinfect or clean your toilet, you can also use this as a multi-purpose cleaning spray for most surfaces in your household. Make sure not to get any of the mixtures in your eyes. 6. Paper towels, hot water, sponges. Now back to how to clean a toilet. As I mentioned, there are 3 methods on how we can clean our potty buddy. Method 1, cleaning in the deep. 1. Put on your gloves, eye protectors, or whatever you need to protect yourself from splashes, and reach out for the sponge in hot water. It is always convenient to loosen up any dirt or spots, making them easier to remove. It'll cut down the effort of removing these types of stains in half. To do this, dampen a sponge with the hot water and wipe it around the lid, base, tank, and most of the exterior of the bowl. During this stage, most of the dirt will be removed even without using soaps or disinfectants. 2. Now the inner bowl, squirt some of the cleaners inside the rim of the bowl. This step is often overlooked and causes brown mineral buildup in the long run. 3. Grab your toilet brush and give that bowl a thorough scrub down. Make sure to scrub the mineral stains the most. They tend to accumulate around the water level area and the back of the bowl. The longer you scrub, the better the results. Scrub until you feel like the stain won't budge anymore. A quick tip: Dip your brush in the water at the bottom of the bowl. This water has enough soap and liquid in it that it actually helps give your scrubbing power a little boost. 4. Flush the toilet to rinse the inside of the bowl. Continue to scrub while the water slowly drains the toilet. 5. Grab the disinfectant cleaner and wipe down the entire toilet, including the outside, even if it isn't that dirty. Don't forget to include the handle and the top and back of the toilet lid. This gives your toilet a nice sheen, makes it look fresh and free from any bad bacteria. Method 2, the quick clean. 1. Put on your gloves and everything else you need to protect yourself from infection. 2. For a quick clean, you may find that it's a smart choice to start cleaning the inside of the bowl first. Drop some toilet cleaner into the water of the bowl and dip your cleaning brush in it. Quickly scrub any brown mineral buildups near the inside of the bowl and make sure to put some strength into scrubbing. 3. Grab your rags or paper towels along with your disinfectant. Spray some on the inner and outer toilet seat as well as the inside and outside parts of the toilet lid, then wipe it down with the rags or towels. If there are edges or hard to reach places, you can grab the old toothbrush to clean and scrub with more precision. 4. To finish up and to give your toilet a clean sheen, spray the exterior of your toilet with a multi-purpose cleaner, then use a rag or paper towel to wipe it down. You may just dip your rag or towel into warm water with a bit of liquid soap and use this to wipe the whole toilet all over. Avoid dipping it back into the solution once it's soiled. We don't want the bacteria to just circulate. Pay close attention to the handle since this is the area with most bacteria builds up. 5. To finish up, flush. This helps get rid of any dirty water that has gathered inside your bowl. Make sure to sanitize your hands after you remove the gloves. Some water may have splashed inside without you noticing. Method 3, paying attention to the surroundings. 1. Put on the gloves and make sure to remove all the items on top of the toilet as well as anything around it that may get in the way of you cleaning. We want to clean all the hard to reach places. This also prevents your soaps or cleaners from being exposed to harmful chemicals. 2. Clean the items you set aside by dusting them or wiping the containers with a cloth. We don't want any dirt or dust to transfer onto your new clean toilet. 3. If the toilet is dirty, then it's highly likely that the floor around it is dirty. To prevent getting your feet dirty while using the toilet, giving that bathroom floor some TLC is the way to go. Using a brush or a broom, sweep away any unnecessary debris from your bathroom floor, including any loose hair. Then, grab some disposable wipes or a wet rag and wipe the area clean. If there are a few stubborn spots that just refuse to let go of your bathroom floor, grab some of the disinfectant sprays, spritz the problem area and rub it down with an old toothbrush, then wipe it clean. 4. Return all the items to their designated spots and you've got the clean surroundings to match your fresh shiny toilet. After everything, sanitize all your tools by soaking them in warm water with a cleaning solution. Make sure to sanitize your hands separately as well. I really hope you found these tips helpful. Deliver value to our followers is always a joy for us. If you want more home cleaning hacks and tips like the ones in this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button and leave a thumb up. Let us know how you clean your toilet by leaving a comment below. We really want to know. That's all for today. Feel free to share this video, spread the voice. See you next time.